So when we first started the program, I had no idea what to expect. We had downloaded the materials and I saw that it was, this thing called Play a Story. So we were brand new going into this program, but I very quickly realized that this program is such a beautiful way to experience musical literacy. The stories and having these special motifs to go with them. It was very motivating for my daughter.
This program really made music fun, I feel like, for Abigail. She enjoyed even practicing. She loved making up different stories, and I think that's what's really unique about the program is it's not just you sit there, you open up and you read off a page. You get to learn how to be creative and create your own stories and kind of build on your own musical abilities.
Music was always a really big part of my life growing up, so I really want that for my kids, and I'd go no other place than intervals. With Robin in the Play a Story program, for Amelia it's been really huge with regards to her development and her confidence, and that's all we really want as parents, is to help foster confidence in our children. And just even the little things like in the classes, and Robin would say, okay, it's each person's turn to play, and to watch all of them. Initially last year in kindergarten and grade 1, be very anxious or nervous to get up and play, and now this year they stand out with confidence, they're ready. Something I would never imagine doing when I was that age. I can't imagine.
She just loves Miss Robin so much too. I feel like Miss Robin just has a really great way with kids to help encourage them to explore. Don't be scared to explore and just be able to be creative and try different things, and it's okay if it doesn't sound right, you can try something different. So I feel like Miss Robin really gave her the confidence to be able to do that and kind of play with music.
I've loved the one-on-one time we get together, because in our busy lives, sometimes it's hard to find the time to be one-on-one with your child in such a way that we're exploring music together and exploring what it means to feel music as well. That's been really important. I grew up with sort of a rote way of learning music, and not to say it was boring. It was a huge part of what I was as a child and who I am now. But for her, just learning to feel the music and learning what it means to kind of bring your emotions out through your fingertips on the piano has been really beautiful to watch.
This Play a Story program, I cannot say enough good things about it. Other than the fact that if you're looking for a certain kind of program for your child won't be too rigorous, that will be really motivating and encouraging for your child, this is the program for you.